Okay, so this is going to be a quick demo on how to use Doceri in project mode, as opposed to just hitting the record button and recording everything on the fly. What this does is allow you to line up applications, your presentation itself, and only capture the parts of it that you want people to see. It's almost like stop action photography. So here's our first screen. I'm just using the generic whiteboard background, but we'll go directly into, from here, a Word doc on my computer. And once this is up, you can actually annotate inside the Word doc like this. And then, say you're done with that and you want to move on to something else, we can go straight to PowerPoint. And what we have here is a PowerPoint that's actually running on my computer, but I can control the PowerPoint, change the slides and the animations using the iPad. So I don't have to move out of this or do anything fancy. I can also continue to annotate the same slide if I have more than one point that I want to make on a slide. And then here we've switched back to Word and a math exam. And say you're working the key for your students or just showing them how to do their homework. You can do it this way and have it play straight through fast, or you can slow the playback down and insert breaks like this. May have slowed that down a bit too much. And work it line by line and describe what you're doing while you do each line. Or say you're doing a design class, a web design class, and you want to show design elements within a web page. Here we've got the Gulf Coast website up, and again, this is running on my PC, not on the pad, so you're not using any of the pad's memory. This is all running off from the PC, and the pad is just controlling the PC for you. So you can go in here and you can annotate the actual website if you want. Or if you don't want to get fancy like that, you can use some of the built-in backgrounds that come with it, and they have a bunch of them. Got your generic whiteboard, you've got a couple of green chalkboards, you've got, let me show you this. See how I did that with the pen? I changed the colors on the fly. Actually, I changed them between each letter, but it doesn't show here because of the way that Doceri handles the recording. But you've got graph paper, bunch of different types of graph paper, polar graph paper, you've got maps of the world, you've got solid colors, you've got some with like this parchment. And one thing that it does is it allows you to create a background using the camera on the iPad. It's cool. I haven't figured out a way to use it yet, but I've only been doing this for a couple of days, but it's still pretty cool. And this is my dog Daisy, and that's about it. Thank you.